Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, we are digging into the Pat McGrath Mothership Divine Rose number 7 palette. I do have a couple other videos with this palette on my channel, and Alter Ego does have a dupe as well, so I did a whole dupe video. But in all my looks with this palette, they were pretty dark and smoky, so today I kind of wanted to tone it back and do a softer eyeshadow look that has a little half lash on it, and I just think this look turned out so pretty. So if you want to see how I got this look, go and keep on watching. Alright, I actually have some kind of a plan today, so let's get started. I'm going to start with this matte shade on a Sigma E25, and I'm going to blend this shade in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up this shade on a Sigma E54, and I'm going to pack that on the outer third of my lid. I love this deeper bronzy shade, it's so pretty. Now I'm going to go back to my E25 and just softly blend around the edges of this shade. Now I'm going to pick up this gold shade on my finger. This shade feels so smooth and creamy on my finger, and that's going to go on the inner part of my lid. Oh, that is gorgeous. This is so pretty and it blends in so well with that bronzy shade. I swear whenever I use this palette, the shades like literally blend themselves, and I mean that in a good way. Like normally I would take my brush and blend the gold into the bronze, but I feel like it just did it itself. Crazy, right? I'm gonna add a little bit more of the bronzy shade on the very outer part of my eye. When I was planning on doing this look today, I thought I was going to use this duochrome shade because it's super cool. It's like a pinky white duochrome. It's really gorgeous, but I really like how the eyes look like this, kind of the soft gold with the little hint of that like purpley shade with the bronze. And I feel like this duochrome would kind of like throw off just the softness of this look. So I think I'm gonna skip that shade today. So I'm feeling pretty happy with how the shadow looks right now. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. All right, my face makeup is done. Let's finish up the eyes. So I recently bought this eyeliner from Urban Decay. I got it during their Black Friday sale because they were having like a really good deal. And I got the shade Mushroom, and I wanna try it out today because I haven't used it yet. This just kind of looked like a shade I would enjoy. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of like a taupey bronze. I think that'll be perfect for this look. I'm going to start by running this across my entire lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a Sigma E20 with nothing on it and kind of smudge around this eyeliner. I'm actually really excited to have this shade because I love their eyeliner in Smog. I use that one all the time. So this one's kind of more cool tone compared to Smog, so I think I'll get a lot of use out of this. Now I'm going to apply some of this on the outer part of my top lash line. I'm going to do like a little flick. It's not really like a wing, more just a flick. It's almost kind of like the smallest wing in the world. Can you see that? It's kind of cute. Now I'm going to go back to the bronzy shade in the palette on that same E20, and I'm just going to stamp that along the eyeliner on my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to take the prettiest shade in the palette in my opinion, which is this one on my finger, and that's going to go on my inner corner. Oh, that was a little too much. Oh no. Okay, I'll work with that. Let me do the other eye. Okay, this is a very highlighted inner corner. I'm just going to try to pat over that with a clean E25. I'm also going to bring a little bit of this onto the inner part of my lid. Just look how pretty this shade is. I honestly can't get over it. The reflection is just crazy here. I'm gonna take a brush that I use for powder a lot and just try to stamp over this to maybe, oh yeah, that kind of helped. There's nothing really on this brush. I just usually pack a lot of powder in here, so this will help kind of erase, yeah, that was good. All right, I love how this is looking. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll show you the full face. All right, I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing the Bright Lashes in the style Flirt. This is my newest half lash and the most natural half lash I carry, in my opinion. It's just super soft and just a little boop on the outer corner, super cute. All right, and here's what the full face looks like. Let me tell you what else is on my face because I'm very happy about it. I finally understand the hype with the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand blushes. I got the little mini set during the holiday savings event, and I freaking love this blush. This is in the shade Pinkgasm, and I'm worried I'm gonna run out really fast because I do love this blush. It blends out so easily and it's just gorgeous, the little shimmer it gives. Like, I freaking love this. And for my bronzer, I'm wearing the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in light medium. And I can't, where'd the freaking lip liner go? Mario? Mario, what are you? Oh, there you are. And on my lips, I'm wearing the Makeup by Mario little lip kit. I think the shade is Mauve Nude. It's the lipstick in Aran and the lip liner in Smoky Pink. I freaking love this lip combo too. I've just been like, I love makeup recently. I just get in such a good mood doing makeup with these 12 days of tutorials because it's so fun for me to look at a palette I've used before, look at the looks I have created, and try to create something different. Like, just fun different combos. I feel like I'm using and enjoying my makeup collection more. And I feel like part of that has to do with all the little Instagram videos and reels and shorts I've been posting because I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been trying to post more reels and shorts, so I film like a full face video on my phone where you can like see everything. So that forces me to actually wear a full face of makeup and do my whole makeup. Like, for the past 4 years on my channel, I've been doing just like super close-up one-eye tutorials, and in those videos, I would literally just do that eye of makeup and then wash it off and go on with my day with no makeup on. But because I'm filming these reels and these shorts, I am putting on a full face of makeup every day, so I feel like I'm just enjoying makeup more, and I feel like I'm using more of my products, and I'm just having a good time over here. But I do love the look that I came up today with this palette. I looked at my other videos with it and I did like pretty smoky looks, so I wanted to tone it back today. And I think this look turned out gorgeous, especially with the half lash. It just gives that little lift to the outer corner. I think it's super pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.